Okay, I am going to take a video of the final throes of Belmont de Villers historic building at 417 West Belmont. They're watering it down. I can smell it. The wind is coming at me, so the wind is coming from the south. Now the wind just switched. It's a pretty strong wind, as you can tell from the flapping of the ribbons around there. Two-man operation. Came down since 2 o'clock. It doesn't take long to destroy history. The owner is watching over there on the bicycle. His name is Andy Toms. He's watering the hand. But this is one of the more important buildings in Belmont de Villers. It's part of Belmont Street, which the neighborhood's named for. We've traced West Hill Taxi to at least the 40s, and before that it was B&B Taxi, and the picture that we have on the Belmont de Villers page shows I would say cars from the 30s, and so this has been a business for a long part of its history. It used to serve the Sabre Club, which was down the street a little bit. All this was an entertainment district for a long time. A lot of blues, Etta James, different people like that came in. And this taxi service had two phone lines going into the Sabre for customer service. That was good service. I thought it was quite interesting that they also Rosemary Kirkland was a dispatcher, and I think it was her sister-in-law was a cab driver. They were very forward-thinking even then. I bet she's one of the early cab drivers, although I haven't put much history into it. She punches down. Tomorrow, this will be part of a landfill somewhere. Hope he's not mad at me. We've been working all day today. I don't know what he's doing. I talked with the other gentleman today, and we talked about all the different things that used to be here. He knew my friend Dolores Curry. Her family owned the AIDS Club. How you doing? I was just trying to figure out where that bar was you were telling me. Was that bar behind 321? Yeah. This cab company I was reading had 2 telephones going into the Sabre Club. Did you ever go into the Sabre Club?
Yeah, Sabre, yeah. Over on this side.
Who all did you ever see over there?
Sabre Club. You had up here there, and they had another over there too.
Yeah.
I know 506 used to be over there.
506, that's a very famous one. Yeah. not real interested in getting too much closer. Dang. I wish I knew my wood better. If I were closer, I could see if there's any square nails in the wood. This gentleman had said that at one point it probably had a tin roof, that all these little old houses around here started out with tin. I was looking at the historic photo of B&B, and I noticed this odd-shaped building next door, and this definitely matches it. So B&B Taxi was the same place, same address, 417. Owner's on the phone, taking his bike. It's so bright out here, I can't tell if I'm taking what I'm really focusing on. I'm hoping I'm in the general direction. Pretty impressive machine. I believe it's owned by Infill, let's see, Housing or something like that. I feel like I'm presiding at another funeral. We had John Sunday last week, maybe not even a week ago, and now this lovely hidden gem that is now worse than history. It's less than history now. There's going to be a second line for the John Sunday house July 31st at 6 p.m. It's going to start at St. Joseph's and end up at the demolished John Sunday house. If you're not familiar with second line, it's part of the traditional funeral service of New Orleans, kind of like a parade or a walk where there's a lot of jazz. You can look it up on YouTube. There's some really good second line ceremonials there. More details will come. I think my daughter just did a poster for them, so hopefully you can look for that. I see his windows broken. We asked him if they could work in the rain. Those machines actually have window washers on them. So I don't know when they feel like. I don't see the, or maybe this red truck is what's going to carry the remnants of this building.